Good morning. Welcome to Kiwibank Markets in a Minute on Friday, 25th of October. I'm Peter Hunt. Okay, overnight really, I just want to touch on the ECB. So we had the final meeting for Mario Draghi. His 8-year tenure comes to a close. So while markets, there was no change overnight, basically the cash rate remains at minus 0.5%. Europe has a number of issues that he will still to be dealt with, which we will be passing on to Christine Lagarde. So what's been the legacy of Mario Draghi? He was the guy, if we go back in time, remember, he said that he would do whatever it takes to save the euro. And although he didn't actually do anything through that period, just the threat of him buying those Greek bonds and Italian bonds, Portuguese bonds, was enough to see the euro stay together. So his main legacy will be the guy that kept the euro as a single currency. However, right now we're facing a situation where the European growth is described as gloomy by Draghi himself, and monetary policy needs friends. And what we mean by that is fiscal policy. You also have a divided ECB governing council, so a few issues for Christine Lagarde to work with. She also doesn't have really any room on monetary policy when the cash rate is minus 0.5% to deal with that. So we'll be watching for unconventional monetary policy or even push into fiscal policy there as responses going forward. Okay, in other news, we're in the middle of earnings season, so for 80% of results have basically been ahead of expectations. Stock market's pretty much unchanged on the day. So if we just touch on a couple of reporting numbers, Microsoft have done well. A lot of success in the cloud has seen their share price higher. Tesla have reported a profitable quarter and higher sales, and that's also seen that stock soar, actually up 20% at one stage. Some other motor companies not so good. Ford and also Hyundai came off yesterday. Also, Mike Pence, Vice President Mike Pence, was seen rebuking China in some remarks. He said that they stood with the protesters. He singled out China and their human rights, so it'll be interesting to see what reaction comes from China, but that was seen as slightly weighing on the stock markets. Okay, and finally in currencies, it's been a US dollar stronger night. Kiwi is weak. Kiwi is down by 0.7%. In fact, that's the lowest performing currency of the majors. So we're opening up here right now at 63.80. We're at 93.55 on the Aussie and 49.65 on the sterling. Okay, have a great day, a great long weekend. It's been a long week with Sky City impacting us in Auckland. Special thanks to Mike Shirley, who came in on leave to help cover for us. Okay, have a good one. Cheers.